Well, here I am back again. Diane in Denmark here, rah, rah, rah. As many of you know, I've been taking a bit of time away from social media, from making my YouTube videos, and I'm slowly coming back. I've got some health stuff going on that I'm working out, but also some exciting work projects. And that's why I'm jumping on today. I wanted to share with you a couple of things that are happening in the next week and in the next month for you and also for your kids or for your grandkids. So anyway, let's get straight into it. Okay, so the first thing that is happening, as you can see here on the screen, it's a 3-day life reset. Now, this is organised by Jennifer Rosscamp. You can see there are 16 amazing ladies who are taking part in this. And it's the usual thing, you must register for it, but then you can watch for free. And usually the sessions are available for 24 hours. If you want to have the lifetime access, the extra goodies that are going on, there's a pass available. But I will put my link down below so you can sign up for that. I am speaking on Tuesday. And guess what I will be speaking on? Yes, you know me. Hands up if you've heard me talking about routines. Really make our life so much easier, less work. Anyway, I'm going to be talking about minimalist morning and evening routine. So if you want to join us for that, make sure you register. Okay, and the next thing, which I'm really excited about, because this is the first time I've done something for kids, it's an online summer camp where kids can learn skills, skills that they maybe don't teach at school any longer. I mean, there's everything from cooking. I am showing kids 5 simple steps how to clean their room, even when they're busy or don't want to do it. There's stuff on what to expect when you go to a doctor's appointment. There's a session from a couple of Catholic nuns on manners. There's stuff on woodworking, taking care, skincare routine, how to work out a good study plan. I mean, I think there was over 100 sessions. And some of them you can watch right now. So you don't need to wait until June for your kids to watch these. You can get started on it right now. So again, I will give you my link and feel free to share my link with family or if you've got church friends or if you are in a homeschooling group. This is really such an exciting conference. And I've already watched some of the stuff and I'm learning stuff and I'm not a kid. Anyway, let me just close that down because there's something else I wanted to share with you is where are we right now for our cleaning and decluttering, looking after, the housekeeping stuff. Well, we are this week, the week that you're watching this video, we're in Flylady Zone 3, which is the bathroom. I'll put up the little video that I have showing you my home and the Flylady zones. Remember, you're just going to set a timer for, 5, 10, 15 minutes. Don't go overboard with these things and just do what kind of stands out to you most, what needs doing most. You're not going to go through the whole list. And next week we will be in Flylady Zone 4, which is the bedroom. And again, just spend 5 or 10 minutes each day, maybe at the end of the day or when you get up in the morning, just doing 5 or 10 minutes, because we really want to make your bedroom a nice, comforting place where you can relax and recharge your batteries. Anyway, I'm going to continue recharging my batteries, getting back on with work behind the scenes. And as I said, I will be back to YouTube very soon, but I shall see you next week for the Jennifer Rosscamp 3-day reset experience. And if there's anything else, drop me a note. Tell me what you have been up to these last few weeks. And all I've got left to say, my pom-poms are still here, is live long and prosper. May the Danish hygge be with you. And I shall see you very soon with a rah, rah, rah. Okay, bye for now.